Good morning, traders. So I recently had a student that using OptionStrat reached to me with a concern, complaint about OptionStrat and how it was not functioning properly. His claim was that on Friday he had a diagonal trade on that was showing a $600 profit. And then on Monday morning, it was showing a $350 profit. And he was frustrated over this, understandably, because of the different numbers that he was getting. However, this is easily explained. It is not an option strat issue. This is a function of human nature and human psychology and applying those in a time spread, a calendar or a diagonal. Calendars and diagonals act totally differently because those options expire on different dates, and the volatility will vary on those two dates. I recorded this explanation for him, and I think it's a great teaching point. So I wanted to go ahead and share it here as well. I hope you find it interesting and helpful. So, this is the reason I really wish people would take the calendars and diagonals class first if you're not familiar with those trades, because they do act totally differently. This is not a function of the OptionStrat software not working. All options trading software, whether it's Thinkorswim, Tasty Trade, Option Trader's Assistant, they all use modeling that is based off either the Black-Scholes modeling, which was developed back in the 60s, and they got a Nobel Prize for it, or the binomial model. They both work very similarly. And it's simply a series of formulas in the background that calculate this. And where the issue comes in, it's not in the math or the modeling, it's in human psychology. And what I mean by that is if you have expirations that all expire at the same times, you know when volatility on everything that expires at 522 goes up, that gets applied universally throughout those strikes. Where the challenge comes in is when you have volatility spiking on the 522s, but it doesn't change on the 526s, or it spikes on the 526s and doesn't change on the 522s. And that's a result of human psychology. People are buying insurance at one of those two dates more than the other. Now, OptionStrat does have a feature that I don't see in any other software, and that's the ability to model these separately. So if I knew as a trader that the 26th was going to spike more than the 22nd, I could come in and say, let's just take the 26th and increase the volatility on that. What would happen to my trade? And it would show me, all over the board here. I could come in and say, well, what if volatility just increased or decreased on the 22nd? Well, I can model that too. So I have the ability to model all of that. But as a trader, I have no idea where other traders are apt to go and spike one or two of those differently. There's just no way for us to know. Therefore, there's no way for us to really model it. So again, if we're modeling a set expiration, those all change together. But if we're modeling two different expirations, they don't necessarily change together. And human nature is what is driving those two separate volatilities. And we don't know how human nature is going to react. Therefore, we can't create a totally accurate P&L diagram. The only way we can really do it, or the only way the modeling currently does it, is it assigns the same amount of volatility increase to both of these, regardless of when their expiration is. And that's just not how the market works, which is why time spreads are a totally different animal. One final point here is that on Fridays, particularly Friday afternoons, P&Ls will be different depending on the type of position you have on. You can't necessarily count on that accuracy either, because the market makers tend to drive prices in different directions on Friday to basically give themselves a little cushion for the weekend. And again, that is not software, that is not OptionStrat that's displaying that incorrectly. That's the market makers building themselves in a hedge through the pricing of the options. And that pricing, of course, is reflected in what we see in OptionStrat. So that is the condensed version, very condensed version of what is in the calendars diagonals course, and I hope it helps. It is not a function of option strat. It is simply a function of two different expirations that act differently, and it's very difficult to project how they might act differently at different times.